This operation is going to go south fast. We have to get to Chicago.
I'm working on it.
All right, you two. We're the transport to the left. Hey! I said left!
Okay, hold on a second, boys. They look like very smart MPs. You also know there's a lot of bad shit that's going on right now, and I gotta be honest with you both. The stuff that we're doing, it's not working for me.
Enough. Move.
Okay, all right, just consider this. I'm a former team guy. Let's not do this thing where you get in my face, you threaten me, because I'm gonna have to knock you out, and then you, look at me, I'm gonna choke you out so bad you're gonna urinate yourself, and in front of the lady. It's not a good look.
It wasn't a goddamn request.
Let's go. This is exactly what I didn't want to happen. That's a big arm. Don't fight it. Don't fight it. Second time.
That's the plan you were working on?
Well, I killed him.
So what are we looking for?
Oh, we're looking for a helicopter, but preferably one that's not surrounded by military personnel.
They probably have a grounded medevac chopper at the hospital.
And that's why you always bring a doctor. Good job, Doc.
Well, looky here. Stealing the hospital Whirlybird. Color me impressed. That is creative.
Come on, you already saw what George did to our plane. You know, everyone's underestimating these animals.
But you two have the magic bullet.
We think we know where to find it.
Listen, Claire Wyden is way too smart to create a weapon she can't control. They must have an antidote energy that can halt the mutations.
You know, if we get our hands on it, it could be our only shot to stop George and the Wolf before they level Chicago.
You know this ain't no truck stop, amigo. They don't just leave keys under the visor.
Wait, you're helping us?
It saved my life. I reckon it's the least I can do. And we're on the same page when it comes to the Widens. They think they're above the law. And I want to remind them that they ain't. So yes, we are helping each other. Do what you do. I'll be in touch.
Wow, that went way better than I thought it would.
Yeah, it did. You know, I was hoping I could knock him out too, though.
You know there are other ways of dealing with people, right?
I do know that, yeah, but that's no fun.
I assume you know how to fly this thing?
Absolutely. It's coming back to me. It's all coming back. Right now. And, yeah.